How to deep copy a list. After E0_copy equals list, E0, I guess E0_copy is a deep copy of E0 since ID, E0, is not equal to ID, E0_copy. Then I modify E0_copy in the loop, but why is E0 not the same after?
E0_copy is not a deep copy. You don't make a deep copy using list. Both list, ... and test list, column, are shallow copies, as well as test list.copy, ... You use copy.deepcopy, ... for deep copying a list. Copy.deepcopy, x, memo, return a deep copy of x. See the following snippet. Now see the deep copy operation. To explain, list, ... does not recursively make copies of the inner objects. It only makes a copy of the outermost list, while still referencing the same inner lists. Hence, when you mutate the inner lists, the change is reflected in both the original list and the shallow copy. You can see that shallow copying references the inner lists by checking that ID, A0, equals ID, B0, where B equals list, A.
If your list elements are immutable objects, then you can use this, otherwise you have to use deep copy from copy module. You can also use shortest way for deep copy a list like this.
In Python, there is a module called copy with two useful functions. Copy is a shallow copy function. If the given argument is a compound data structure, for instance a list, then Python will create another object of the same type, in this case a new list, but for everything inside the old list, only their reference is copied. Think of it like. Intuitively, we could assume that deep copy would follow the same paradigm, and the only difference is that for each element we will recursively call deep copy, just like Guy's answer. But this is wrong. Deep copy actually preserves the graphical structure of the original compound data. This is the tricky part. During the process of deep copy, a hash table, dictionary in Python, is used to map each old object ref onto each new object ref, which prevents unnecessary duplicates and thus preserves the structure of the copied compound data. Official docs.
If the contents of the list are primitive data types, you can use a comprehension. You can nest it for multidimensional lists like
Jetzt schon an.